So, side dishes for a braai. Today I'm going to do something totally different. We are using samp and beans to create a lovely dish for your next braai. The ingredients you would need is the following. Samp. So what you do with this samp and beans, you soak this overnight in cold water and then you would cook it on the stove, a little bit of salt for about 2.5 hours. Alternatively, you can put it in your pressure cooker. So here is the cooked samp and beans. This is about 1.5 cup over here. And now we're going to do a stir fry with vegetables. So we're going to fry some onions. We're going to add peppers and mushrooms. And then lastly, we're going to add some bacon. We're frying some onions. A little bit of oil, butter and oil. Fry your onions, add garlic, fresh garlic. So your peppers, you can just dice up some yellow, red and green peppers. Some sliced mushrooms. And then lastly, bacon. And if you don't want to use bacon or you want to do something different, try chorizo sausage. And you get a plain and you get a hot as well. So you can use chorizo sausage instead of bacon for this dish as well. Bacon and vegetable mix are done. Just add it to your cooked samp and beans. Mix it through. And then we're going to add our freshly prepared tomato sauce again. Just add some sauce and mix. And this adds a lot of extra flavor to this amazing dish. So now we just add seasoning. I like to use this garlic and herb in a Parman spice. You can add some fresh chili obviously in here as well, and then mix herbs. Mix it through and then transfer it to a dish that can go into the oven. Just carefully press it. Cheese on top, and you're going to bake this for about 20 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. Samp dish done. So hopefully you're going to try this one for your next braai. You can just dish it up and then serve it with a little bit of fresh herbs, like I'm going to do it, nice and cheesy. And that's it. For the full recipe, please see our Facebook page, The Little Pink Chef.